Hey there, I'm Dan Fortin with the Own the Ozarks team. We're here today in Branson, Missouri to take a look at 11 Woodpecker Lane, Units 5 and 6. These two nightly rental condos are each 2-bedroom, two-bath. First thing we want to talk about is the location for these condos. As you can see, we've got Table Rock Lake views right from the decks, right? In addition to that, we've got Silver Dollar City views. You can see the roller coasters over there. I can hear the train going. It's a thing of beauty. Now it's just 10 minutes down the road to Branson proper and all the fun and festivities there. But let's talk about these condos. We're out here on the back deck. These decks have been completely redone with Trex decking, nicely appointed with comfy, beautiful furniture, and they've made this adjoining door here, these barn doors, so that you can combine the units together and accommodate one larger group. Now, when you get into the units, you're going to see that these are fantastically remodeled. Now, each of these units has its own distinct character. Unit 5 has an urban lodge vibe to it. Unit 6 has a Midwest modern vibe. They're both beautiful, but they play nice with each other, which is important if you're wanting to rent them together. Last but not least, we want to talk about the front deck. So these also have a big adjoining front deck. Your guests can have more outdoor space there. If it's too hot out here, they can be back there, or they can come out here. It's partially covered. They can see the sunsets off of Table Rock Lake. So all of these attributes combine to make these condos some of the top performers in this area. Financials here are very strong. You'll be impressed when you take a look at those. And they have hundreds, literally hundreds of 5-star reviews from nightly rental guests over the years that they've been operating these. So I would suggest, since your phone's already in your hands, that you go ahead and call or text me at 417-231-6755. I'd be happy to discuss more details with you, share the financials, and schedule a private showing just for you. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll talk to you soon.